Okay, here we go again with the C4 drag race Corvette. Just want to show a little bit more in depth of the mid plate that I made up for the C4. And yeah, this the tranny is out, not on the ground. Tranny and the converter. It's it's FTI Power Glide, and we're gonna go and we're gonna put the backup transmission in, which is a JW with the Ultra Bell and Ultra Case, I think they call it. Yeah, so we're gonna put that in there, and that's the converter that goes with the JW. It's a JW converter. We had this setup came from behind a big block, and it worked really good. It would stall. I didn't really do a stall test on it behind a big block, but it easily stalled up to 32, 35 with the big block. So I think we should do pretty good. That should at least get us to where we need to be for now. And with the FTI setup, which I think we might have broke the torque converter when we blew the motor, which is a different setup. It's a small block with Pro Charge on it. And with the FTI, we couldn't get it to stall over 3,000. Most we could get with like 28, 2,900 stall. And we couldn't build no boost, maybe 1 pound of boost, if that. And the 60-foot suffered big time. So hopefully this JW setup get us where we need to be. Yeah. So yeah, this is the mid plate I made up in the brackets. It looks rough, but it works strong. And what I did was I got a mid plate from S&W chassis race cars, and I incorporated into a blow-proof bell housing plate from a standard shift. Because what happened after I had to do so much cutting on the mid plate, after I was finished cutting it, it was kind of flimsy. So I incorporated it into the blow-proof plate here, and that strengthened it a lot. I had a lot of strength to it. That's how it looks. And yeah, it's been holding up, no problem, no issues. So yeah, this is my first attempt of doing a 4-link, and it came out pretty good. I mean, pretty much my first attempt at welding also. So you had to excuse the welding on it. Not the prettiest, but they're strong. And we haven't had any issues. Nothing hasn't broke or fallen off. The car goes straight as an arrow, like on rails. And I haven't done any mapping on the 4-link to see the geometry as far as anti-squat, instant center, and all that. I haven't done that. When I completed the project, we just went to the track, and she hooked, went straight as an arrow, and we was happy with that, and didn't touch it. But I'm pretty sure it's at about 100% anti-squat, because it's not squatting and it's not separating. And if anything, watching the video may be a really slight spot on it, but nothing you really could tell by just looking with the naked eye. You have to really watch a video. But we're happy with it. It goes straight and it hooks. And the best 60-foot we've had with it so far is a I think 143. That's the best we had so far. Not really leaving hard with it, just soft launch because of installing the converter. And that was with the 355, with a small block, 355 small block. 355 seem to run a little faster than this motor we have in here now, but we haven't, like I say, when the 355 was in here, the converter was working like it should. And when we put this motor, after we blew the 355, put this motor, then the converter seemed like it's just not stalling. It's a bigger motor, bigger cubic inch, but the 60 foot now is suffering bad, like it's terrible, maybe in the 1.2s, something like that. So hopefully with this with the JW setup, that'll get us back into the game. So all right, folks, appreciate it. Thanks for watching.